Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we've got a wonderful car for you. It's a 1910 Buick. 1910, so what's that? 113-year-old. 113-year-old piece of motoring history. And this car is possibly unique, as it's only one of two known to exist. And there was only 905, I think, ever produced. So it's a really, really rare car. Let's take a quick look around the car. I've took a few shots of the interior there, and you can see it's a little bit worn inside, but that doesn't detract from the car. I think it actually adds to the character of the car. The car's 113-year-old. Moving around the car, quick look at the bodywork. The paintwork's really good, nice and shiny. And the other thing that stands out on the car is the size of the car. Because the car's on wooden sport wheels, it's, I think, the 28-inch, the car looks a really, really big car. It is a big car, but it looks bigger than what it is. And the two spare wheels there on the side, I think they were supplied by the factory. The car was supplied with two spare wheels. Moving around the car, obviously we've got the lovely brass headlamps, some nice pinstriping on the wheels and the fenders there. The bonnet really sets the car off. The brass is beautiful. It's just a stunning looking car, absolutely stunning. Really is a show winner. Moving down this side of the car, we'll go back round. There's the controls in there. Everything seems to work fine. The guy who's had this, he's had it for quite a while, and he's took part in numerous rallies. I think he did 900 miles in one rally, and just recently this weekend when we've picked the car up, he's done 65 miles in it, so it's a very reliable car. Toolbox on the sides, it's got your leather map case in there. The paintwork on it's beautiful as well, absolutely stunning. Right, let's fire it up. And there she goes, bursts into life. Look at that, isn't that a picture with the exposed valve gear, the push rods there on the side. It sounds as sweet as a nut. It's fitted with a dyno starter, so you don't have to go hand cranking it. So if you're of an age where it's difficult to start them, obviously the dyno start and the electric start makes them a much more usable car, much more usable. So there you have it, the 1910 Buick at Hardy Classics. Bye bye now.